This is marigold flower, scientific name, Tagetes genus, including Tagetes erecta, African marigold, and Tagetes patula, French marigold. Morphology. Size, 6 inches to 3 feet tall. Leaves, dark green, pinnate, pungent scent. Flowers, vibrant colors, daisy-like appearance with central disc and gray florets. Root system, fibrous, spreads widely. Growth habit, annual or perennial, depending on species. Thrive in diverse soil conditions. Reproduction, via seeds, sown directly or transplanted. Habitat, native to the Americas, common in Mexico and Central America. Ecological importance, pest-repelling, deters nematodes and aphids, used in companion planting.